Welcome back to SweeTings. Today we are making cakesicles. So as you can see, I have our cake already prepared. We are doing strawberry cakesicles, and I am using the canned store-bought buttercream. You can make and use your own homemade buttercream, but for this demonstration, we're just going to use the store-bought. We're going to use melted chocolate and then some decorations. And this is going to be a fun little activity that I am doing with me and my sister-in-laws. The first step is to crumble up your cake. You want to add a spoonful of buttercream at a time to get the right consistency for the cakesicles. You are looking for a Play-Doh type consistency so that your cakesicles don't fall and break apart. The first mold that I'm using is the Confetti popper mold, and I am using the Sugar Art and Diamond Dust Rose Gold to get a pretty rose gold effect on my cakesicles, and this is going to turn out so cute. I'm using a brush to brush in some of the diamond dust into the mold before I add the chocolate in. Now I am using the Sugar Art Diamond Dust in White Diamond to also get a beautiful effect on these cakesicles. I melted down my chocolate and I added my candy color in pink, so we are going to be making pink confetti cakesicles. For the first couple of cakesicles, I am doing a marble effect, so it will be marbled with pink and white. You want to make sure you are covering the corners and the sides with enough chocolate so it won't crack when you are taking it out of the mold. And then when you are done, pour the excess chocolate out and let it harden. After the first layer dries, you just want to reinforce the sides with some more chocolate to make sure that it doesn't crack when we are taking it out of the mold. As you can see, my son wanted to help, which means he wanted to eat the chocolate candies. But now it is time to fill the cakesicles with cakes. When you do your cakesicles, you can fill it with less cake so that when you put the chocolate over the top, it connects easily with the bottom. When I tried to take these out, I did have a bit of cracking, but it is okay. Just use a little bit of less cake and then pour the chocolate over it and let it harden. In order to easily get the cakesicle out of the mold, you want to first pull the mold away from each side of the cakesicle. This will help to reduce the cracking in the cakesicle. Some people also cut a little slit where the stick goes so they can just slide it right out instead of the stick, possibly coming out. Either way that works for you and what is easy for you, just try and experiment for yourself. And as you can see, I have the cakesicle out. I am going to be using a knife to clean up those edges so we can get some nice smooth edges so everything can look beautiful. Now for the confetti part, you can really play with this and have fun. Today I am just using some sugar pearls. You can use sprinkles or other combinations of whatever you come up with to make them look pretty and to look like confetti poppers. To adjust the Cakesicles up a little bit, I used my Chanel mold so I can make some cute roses and a cute heart and a perfume bottle to apply to the Cakesicles. I also am going to be using some edible gold leaf to just make it a little bit more pretty. And look how pretty these turned out. These came out so beautiful. I love the added decorations and the edible gold leaf. It just brings it up a notch. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make Cakesicles. And until the next video, see you, sweet tings.